Previously on Adrian's trying to finish Pokemon Emerald within 1000 episode walkthrough, we went to the Team Magma hideout and defeated their leader Maxi. I think that's Maxi. And he awakened Groudon, which escaped. So now I guess we're gonna have to find Groudon. So let's go. Yo, this is Dale Dylan. I'm smack in the middle of a triathlon. But hey, I've always got time to shoot the breeze. Working out with Pokemon feels mighty good. While exchanging words, we sing as we share the horde. That's too much talking, Dylan. Shut the fuck up. Why do I go too often? This? Should I return to that town that I don't remember the name of? That we were just in? Lily Cove. Let's try to see the Team Aqua Magma. The Team Aqua hideout if something changed. Jeez, I should stop bumping into everything. Title of my sex tape. What do you want with Team Aqua? Our boss isn't here, he's gone off to jack the submarine. Where did he go? Wow, hahaha. You really think I'd tell you something that crucial? I love how they all pretend that they're gonna keep their cool and they give out everything in their plans. The submarine was in Slateport, if I recall. This is Slateport here. Carol Baskin killed her husband, whacked him. It's here, right? Yeah. Captain Stern, yes indeed, we intend to move ahead with our exploration. That's wonderful, Captain Stern. Thank you for taking the time from your busy schedule to talk to us. We hope we can interview you again with news of more discoveries. Well, that was the first time to be filmed for TV. That was nerve-wracking. Oh, lad, you're looking great. We made a huge discovery on our last seafloor exploration. We found an underwater cavern on Route 128. We think it's the habitat of a Pokemon that's said to have been long extinct. Phew. Captain Stern, I presume we of Team Aqua will assume control of your submarine. Your objections are meaningless. We expect your... I recognize his voice. There's no voice. I recognize this tone. This is the Dilf. We expect your total cooperation. Phew. Just watch and learn what Team Aqua has planned. What? What was that all about? It sounded like someone using a megaphone. Where did it come from? It's from Harbor, the submarine. They're trying to take it. Ads, please come with me. Let's go. The Dilf. Hachi. Oh, not you again. You're tenacious to track us here. That much I will give you. But now, no one can stop us. No one. Or will you follow us back to our hideout in Lily Cove City? Ha. Jesus, we just jumped in the water, not in the submarine. That's not how it works, Captain Stern. Why? Why would Team Aqua steal my Submarine Explorer 1? They can't be after the slumbering Pokemon at the bottom of the sea. But even if I were to chase them, I don't stand a chance against them. I guess the weight of the world, the what? I guess the world depends on me yet again. Everything's on my shoulders. Can't have it. I'm only 10. Should be watching Pokemon on TV, not doing that type of shit. I don't have time to save the world. Come on. Should switch Diavolo for Chaos, shouldn't I? We're not here anymore. Someone is coming. And they got me. Because I was standing just there. Ay. Jojo fans, suspicious character spotted. I know you said ay, but let me believe. Alright. Team Aqua Grunt would like to battle. Yeah, you kind of like to battle, but like, doesn't mean I have to. Oh, we're not that far apart. Leaf blade. Goldfish caned. Grera lost. Aye aye aye. Awakening. Jojo Bizarre Adventure. I took the loss of a team, but I did my job. Which was... What was your job? Pretty weird. Teleporting pads. One of these again. I hate these. They're not puzzles, they're just like RNG bullshit. Yawn. Keeping watch over the hideout bores me. I'll take you on. I think it's your job, lady. Excuse me to be bothering you while you're working. There's this thing I'd like to say at work. Excuse me to be bothering you while you're supposed to be working. Move your fucking ass, basically. One hit, but I'm gonna get hit with rough skin. Right? Yes. Defeated Team Aqua Grunt. Yeah, oh, I lost. Yeah, you're gonna blame it on you being sleepy, won't you? Double battle. If you want to know the secret about our hideout, you have to beat me. Hey, you there! Which do you think is cooler, Team Aqua's uniform or Team Magma's? I would say Team Aqua because Archie is a Dilge, so I definitely got the bias. So one's gonna send out a Zubat, the other one is Pushi and Aria. Why do you all have to have the same Pokemon? Like, is it like a uniform? Sounds like slavery with extra steps to me. Blaze kick. You're dead, bish. Team Aquagrant, so now Zubat. Blaze. Oh my god, now you're just not even gonna connect. Funny. Dio became confused. Because Gross type moves won't do much. Let's use Amber and Burst. Here, I knew that shit was not gonna kill you. Please, don't hurt yourself. Thank you. Hedge, Monica, Monica. Again, I don't remember Boudica. I don't remember PewDiePie starting with Hedge. So I have no clue if that's in something he says, but I just remember hey Monica, hey Monica. Hey Monica, hey Monica. For Corona's rough skin hurt cause. Dio and myself gain a lot of HP. Great, Goldfish. Learning Swords Dance. What did Swords Dance do? Fire-hitting dance that sharply raises attack. Let me see. I can't see your stats, so I can't know if your attack is better. Protect, Battle Beam, Crab Hammer, Vice Grip. Grip the foe with large and powerful pincers. Might as well get Swords Dance instead of Vice Grip because it's a 55 move, there's no reason for me to use it. And when I'm gonna get Guillotine, I'm gonna see if I want to keep Protect or Thank You Dio or Swords Dance. Swords Dance is actually pretty useful. You'll see all the Elite Four members who got Pokemon who have it, trying and using it. For example, the ones with Altaria. It's gonna be Drake, I guess. I can't win at all. I lost in a cool way. No, you can't ever lose in a cool way. Only losers lose, so it's never cool. But Goldfish is evolving. Don't. Our hideout secret? Well, let's just save as a submarine at the far end. But by now, kick. Why do you have to be so weird? Aren't you paid to do a job over there? Is that like voluntary job work? Great. That's straight back here. That's a bit further down. That's in the same spot. I'm just gonna try and go for the last one. Because I'm not stupid. What are those? Found a nugget. Cool. Found a master ball. Great. And that's a Pokemon battle. What was in the box? Oh, that was a Voltorb. Electrode. Same thing. Just reverse it. You just make it smile. That's it. Shit. Should we try? No, we shouldn't, because it can hit pretty hard. Maybe it's got thunder. Or maybe I should just have run from this. What's the point of getting an electrode? Another Sonic Boom. Great. Okay, I should have gone with a Blaze Kick already. Please don't be paralyzed. This stream is basically, since the start, is basically me asking my Pokemon to not get a status affliction and getting it anyway. Always like that. Let's see. Do I have a paralyzed heal? No, I can't waste a full heal here. Or I should use a spur potion. But I won't be using you much, so we can wait. Wait it out, it's fine. Alright. I didn't try the one over there. Okay, I wasted my time trying the one over there. That's basically it. Okay, I got it. I have to go to the one on the far right. That is Donald Trump, far right. Haha, political joke. Banning. Why am I like this today? I don't feel tired, I just feel weird. Wahahaha, I grew weary of waiting. You owe me a battle. To you? Who else does owe you a battle? Aqua Grunt. Hopefully Absol will kill you. Can only wish for that. It did. Great, so I can replenish my health. That's it? That's all you had? Thanks for being a bump in the road, my dude. New episode of Tiger King tomorrow, guys. Well, it's not a new episode of Tiger King, it's an after show. So it's definitely not a new episode, but I'm definitely watching this. I started watching Community like just this week, and the main actor, Joel McHale, is in there. And I was like, what? He's the one doing the teaser too, and I was like, what? Was so happy to have everything coinciding. Where does this lead? I don't know, I'm leaving my finger on B, but I can't run faster, I'm inside. You can't run inside. I get it, you can't use a bike inside, but why can't you run indoors? You know that's a sport, running indoors? I don't know if what I'm saying is accurate. So yeah, the next-ish episode of Tiger King is tomorrow. Fuel supply loaded, AOK, and crew snacks loaded, AOK. Nothing left to do but KO with pesky meddler. Rude. Team Aqua Grunt would like to battle and send out Zubat. Go Cows! Again, Ooh, that quick attack was rough. I was not expecting that myself. I took a serious licking. I wouldn't say I gave you a licking, but this was supposed to happen. My mission was to just hold you up. They know that I'm too strong. They're just wasting my time, like everybody I dated. Ah, shit! Oh no, thanks fuck. I thought I was gonna miss the double battle. What panels, the hideouts, pride and joy? You're clueless about where you are, aren't you? Flush the entire RB enemy, then lower the boom. That's our plan. When I jumped in Aqua, the first thing I had to learn was how these war panels connected. Pretty sure it took you a long while to know how these worked out, because like, it's pretty useless to have these. Don't you have like stairs, elevators? Both of you have one Pokemon, hopefully I can, yeah, I can one hit KO both of these. Blaze Kick on the Zubat, Leaf Blade on the Corvan, actually Absorb on the Corvana, because I saw earlier that it's not that tanky. But now that I said it, I'm gonna jinx myself. I didn't, for once. Pretty weird. Corvana fainted. Now, up to you, Zubat. Show me what you got. Wow, you outspeed my level 40 Blaziken. Because he's paralyzed. Okay. But quick attack should do it then. Please? Nope. Dio, please don't be... Okay, you're still dead because that quick attack is gonna dispose of you, little bitch. Zubats, the Rattata of the sky. What's wrong with you? You're not tired at all. I was too occupied thinking about the war panels. The jokes in Emerald are the best. Oh. Got here already, did you? We underestimated you. But this is it. I'm a kid above the grunts you've seen so far. I'm not stalling for time. I'm going to pulverize you. They all say that, don't they? And they end up being deplorable. Ooh, another sexy one. Aqua admin Matt would like to battle. He's got a Mightyena for a change. I don't get it. Everybody else got like a level 30 Puchiena. Okay, it's gonna take more than just a Leaf Blade to kill you, so it's gonna take 2 Leaf Blades. Yep. Scare face. What does that do? Decrease my speed. You can just use this. Why would you use a super potion? You'll just take... Okay, you're an admin. Wow, please. Yes, I'm still faster. And this should be enough. And hopefully the second Pokemon is a Sharpedo. Sharpedo, I should say Sharpedo. Sharpedo doesn't... It's got a wrong tune to it. Carol Baskin. Killed her husband, whacked him. Skirt! Ooh. Please don't be paralyzed, yes. Please, one hit KO that bush. Shit, no. It's alright, sweet prince. You were not made for this cruel world. I get it, flying type monsters, Pokemon, not monsters, should be faster, but how fast can a Golbat be? How much faster can a Golbat be compared to my... Did I say V again? Hey, while I was toying with you, our boss got through his preparations. Sneaky little... Our boss has already gone on his way to some cave under the sea. If you're going to give chase, you'd better search a big white sea beyond Lilico. Why do you tell me everything? But will you find it then? Why are you telling me everything? Everybody's so bad at their job. Incredible. And you're still like running around here? Weirdo. Everybody's so bad at their job. Hello and welcome to the Pokemon Center. Okay, I'll take your Pokemon for a few seconds. I restored them and we'll see you again. She's either the Mafia or someone who's very loving and caring. Pretty sure she's the Mafia. So where did they say it was? Above? Above Lily Cove, I guess. Okay. Okay, that's not where we should go then. I'm growing bored of swimming. How about a battle? Here I am swimming by my lonesome on this wide, beautiful sea. There's no other word for it. This is pathetic. Do you see how beautiful that is? Trash. Swimmer Griffin, Swimmer Declan want to battle. Declan. Fucking names a child that. Wow, Gyarados in these seas. Gokars and Dio. Okay, so we have to make sure we kill what Gyarados before we can attack. Okay, I'm not sure that's gonna be enough. Yep. Blaze Kick should do on you. Well, you should die. If they leave Blade, yes, it did die. We will leave Blade. 22 minutes. Blaze Kick! Yes, thanks. At least that's enough. Klaus gain, Dio gain, Coldfish gain, everybody gain, so much gains. I had no idea that you were this strong. I'm feeling blue, da boo dee da boo. Blue as a sky. Ah, it's good. 5-4-4 for winning. So much winning. Above, 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 above. Above Lily Cove. Is it what they said? Above. I think it said above. Oh, there's a blue patch of water here. Oh, Docker. Hey, you lost at sea. If you can beat my Pokemon, I can serve as your pilot. Okay. So if I don't, you're gonna leave me stranded. Nice to know. I hate Tentacool. But did it have that thing at the time? Let's see. Let's use Absorb. I think it had it. For Tentacool had its energy drained. For Tentacool used Wrap. Okay, no it doesn't. It didn't have it. Weird. Yeah, I'm wrapped. I got it. You're a bit of a hugger, aren't you? I don't get it why you're so resistant. Because you got the poison typing. Causes hurt. Tentacool is a cool design though. Well, Tentacruel is a cool design. Tentacool is very basic. Except for that gem on its forehead, which is supposedly for it to read minds or something. I forgot from the anime lore, which is not canon. I get it. Why didn't she die? Dun, dun, dun. Is it still what they said, above Lily Cove? I don't really remember that it was above Lily Cove. But hey, there's nothing I can do around these patches of darker water. Where do you learn to dive? I have no clue. No, I don't need to fight here. It's gonna be a waste of energy. And PP. Okay, I'm already in no, that's the moved hunter's house. What do you hunt? I'm the diving treasure hunter. I'm the awesome dude who makes deep sea dives to gather treasures resting at the bottom. You haven't got any treasures for me. If you see any shards like the red shard, you've got to trade it with me. I've got to. Tell me you have seen any shards and tools in ancient times. You haven't got any treasures for me. If you see any shards, yeah, okay. Got it. I don't have anything. I'm poor, I'm broke. I'm broke as bitch. I'm broke, I'm gay, and I'm running for governor of... Yeah, we don't fight. You want to teach me something. I can't do this anymore. It's utterly hopeless. I'm a fighting type trainer, so I can't win at the most deep gym, no matter how hard I try. Oh, punch, 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 punch. Why, don't look at me that way. I'm only hitting the ground. Or do you want me to teach your Pokemon Dynamic Punch? This move can be learned only once. Is that okay? What? You do? You're a good person. Which Pokemon should I teach it to? Let's see. Wants to learn move Dynamic Punch. Should the move be deleted to be replaced with Dynamic Punch? Okay, 100 power, but accuracy 50. Should cause confusion for, but inaccurate. Might as well get rid of Ember. And let's see. Let's see. I want you to win at most deep Japan using that. There's actually a way of doing that. There is a move, I forgot which, but you can use on Ghost type and other type of Pokemon who are actually not weak, resistant or immune to physical attack. But in most deep, I don't think they're Ghost type, they're Psychic type, so it should be fine. But I have no clue where to go. What's the problem? Look at these houses. So cute. Yes, skip that. It doesn't appear to like or dislike any Pokeblocks. Okay. In search of trainers. Gabby, hi, today I'm visiting an area near Route 120. We're trying to spot some up-and-coming new talent in the field. Today we turn our lens on the trainer ads. There's something about this trainer that piqued our interest. We've battled ads before, but we can attest that the trainer has most definitely improved from before. I knew we were onto someone special when we spotted this trainer. The best way to determine how strong he's become, well, the fastest way is to battle, and so we began our investigation. That's how we ended up in battle with ads. A dominating performance, we were flattened, rolled up, and something something. Ads is ruthlessly strong. Thank you. As our impressions after having battled our featured trainer. The combination of Combusken and Coldfish was divine. The sight of them, Combusken and Coldfish, selflessly supporting each other in the thick of battle, it was a marvelous sight to behold. Double Kick was a move the trainer used lost in our battle. The move Double Kick is Combusken and Coldfish's sign of friendship. After our battle, we asked ads for a succinct summary. The trainer replied, "Dude!" As Pokemon Combusken and Coldfish, and dude, that's deep. There's deep significance behind that quote. It's no surprise a good trainer has good things to say. That's all for today. See you again on our next broadcast. Dude, chill. I can actually already come here. Am I ready though? Not sure. Because they're pretty strong. It's like gambling and shit. Should we try, guys? Let us try. Well, I went to I'm not gonna say. You'll have to guess. Oh, what? Hi there, this is Brooke. It's funny if you have to guess. So you're getting more Pokemon together. I'm having a rotten time of it. They all get away from me. See you. That's all you had to say, lady? Great. My little brother says he likes to go find people's secret bases. Cool. So you're an intruder, basically? No one here. Let's try and take on... Let's try and take on that gym. And Goldfish is not leveled enough to be the one I can use here. Well, actually he is, but I don't want to use a... I wanted to get Guillotine. Battles hinge on the strength of your spirit. The weak-spirited will never win. The road you have traveled, what you have experienced, come at me with everything you've learned. I'll try, lady, but please, don't go hard on me. Psychic Preston and Mora would like to battle by sending Kirlia and Kadabra. Two of my favorite Pokemon. Everybody who's had a Kadabra loves Kadabra. It's as easy as that. Kadabra uses Future Sight. And he's so pesky, he's so fast, Kadabra. Good. Goldfish grew to level 39. Diavolo gained 270. I lost. I must temper my spirit again. You've traveled the path of greatness. Thank you, lady. Nope, we can't do that right now. Or should we? I forgot at what level you learn Guillotine, so I'm gonna leave you to evolve. You might be helpful. Look at this. Congratulations, your Goldfish evolved into Groudon. Groudon. I'll take the experience share from you because it's hindering others' progress. Yeah, double battle all the way. I'm gonna try to set up everything. Watch me levitate a Pokeball telekinetically. Wow, sometimes I'm out of sync. I see it, I see your future. If you can beat me, I will tell you your future. It is to become the very best, like no one ever was. To catch them all, that was my real test, and to train them would be my cause. Xatu and Girafarig. If these are level 36, I'm in for a rough fight. Serve and Blaze Kick on that Xatu, because it's gonna be the... Oh my god, it's not even gonna connect now. Whoa. Girafarig. Okay, gotta kill them before the Future Sight takes effect. Well, that's pretty weird. And the light was flickering, wasn't it? Why aren't you connecting at all? So Xatu fainted, Diavolo gained. See, without that experience share, that's way better. Please die. Should I try quick attack? It worked. Very good. Psychic, Blake, and Psychic, Samantha. My Pokemon battling skills are out of sync too. I surrender. I don't know why I got like a taste of petrol in my mouth. I should maybe try and see if Groudon... Yes me. I wanna check... Attack is good, SPR. Wait, what do you mean by good, Adaya? It's pretty good. SP attack is not that good though. So let me see. So it's Dance, Crab Hammer, Bubble Beam, which is a 65. Okay, I know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna switch you with you, and then you with you, with you, or with, yeah, with you. Then I'm gonna go to bag. I'm gonna go to this, and that. I'm gonna take this. Where do you get dive? I got a bad memory. Have a crowd dumped. Should the move be deleted and replaced with Surf? Which move should be forgotten? Bubble Beam. Yeah, Crab Hammer is pretty good. Crowdent learns Surf. Okay, that was an ambush. Let me see your talent. Oh, you need me to show you how tenacious a psychic type can be. Why did I take the voice of Santa? Psychic Virgil and Gentleman Nate want to battle. Santa on Spoink and Ralts. Spoink. The glasses did everything, didn't they? Surf. Surf. Okay, you're pretty resistant to water. Spoink. No. Oof. Every time I see someone about to use Psychic, I'm like, shit. This is not gonna go well, is it? Hey, we had no new cases of Corona in Mauritius today. Well, we didn't detect a new one. You possess spectacular talent. Oh my, your battle style is fantastic. When you lose to me, don't be too hard on yourself. It's not that you're weak, I'm just too strong. Even at the risk of life, I will win this battle. Psychic Hana and Hex Maniac. What is a Hex Maniac? What is a Hex? Horrible, extra. Nope. Doesn't work. Surf and surf. You bitches better be able to swim. Please kill them. Yes. And? Yes. Yes and very yes. Bacana. Could you like just... oh, well, whatever. 38. 20 minutes. Let's see if we can take on this gym here. Well, we can take them on. I'm not sure we're gonna beat them. I'm really not sure about that. I guess they're just after this, but I need to go and... it's not good. Why do I have to go? Oh. I think I remember. Here. Yeah. Let me show you perfectly awful, horrifying time. Bro, what have a taste of my super Pokemon hard battling, whatever. Hexmania, Kathleen, and Psychic Nicholas sent out Kadabra and wow, perfect. Good evening, Groudon. Whatever. Surf and surf. Again, future side, which is a good move. It's got like 120, just what takes time to settle. Let's settle to take. Oh shit. Oh, I forgot Wobbuffet has a lot of life. tell me. Sorry. Sorry, I'm playing. Yeah, but Boba Fett is just a tank. I forgot. Crowd and use surf. And I'm still on my phone. I'm sorry. Again, alternative maybe, but it buy it secondhand. Yeah, maybe. Sorry. Thinking about getting a Nintendo Switch. I know it's a bad idea. Is it though? It's a Nintendo Switch. I may be past my prime, but I suggest you not patronize me. I would never think of doing so. You're not getting through to the end, not if I can help it. Gentleman Clifford, like the big red dog. Weird thing to name your child. That's a bit inconsiderate. Muddy water. Good, accuracy fell. You too? No, didn't leave that on you. You just died. Fucking bird. Everything died. Ah, you overflow with power of youth. I didn't take the voice of Santa, I'm sorry. How could you be so ludicrously strong? Years of training. 5% luck, 50% will, and all the, you know, the rest. So, I need to go and heal right now. Is this the shortcut? Yes, it is. It is a shortcut. I hope this stays the same. I don't have to go and set it again. But I still don't know where to go for that. Maybe I should get dive, but how do I get dive? Let's see if we can beat the gym first. And maybe like how we got surf, someone's gonna conveniently come and pick us. Shit, sorry. Bumping into everything. Wait, I didn't check. Ah, gotta set it up again. It's fine, I don't have to battle again. 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. One thing is, okay, I could tell you that just, no, I can tell you that already. When you go for this gym, the thing is, the gym leaders, they are sisters, twins, to be more precise, and if you don't have two Pokemon, when you go to fight them, they just won't accept the challenge. Rude, right? What if I wanted to only use one Pokemon for the whole game? Think about that. Please, you win. Fingers crossed. Tate. Hey, 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 were you surprised? Foo, foo, foo. Were you surprised? Oh yeah, the talking thing. But there are two gym leaders. We're twins. We don't need to talk because we can each determine what the other is thinking, all in our minds. This combination of ours, can you beat it? That's a good thing from the Pokemon company. Like psychic twins. Leader Tate and Lisa will send out Claydol and Zadu. Shit, level 41, both of them. I knew that we might be underpowered for that. If we use one psychic, we're done. So I'm a bit... gonna do something different. I'm gonna use Blizzard and then psychic. Calm mind. Okay, as long as you're not attacking, I'm good. Special attack. Okay, it means that... shit. Means that if one move connects for them, I'm done. If one of you could be frozen? Wow. That's tanky. Shit. And Zatu avoided the attack completely. Shit. Oof. Scared? No, wasn't a lot. That was really not a lot. Should we go with Blizzard again? I guess. And then serve. Yes, I am the new Johnny Sins. Johnny Sins from Wish. Please die. Thank you. I appreciate you dying. Because I'm very scared of both of you. Ooh! Please serve, 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 serve. Serve, 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 serve. Wait, was it the serve that did that? No, it was not. Right? It wasn't the serve that did that. Yes! Oof. But I'll take it. I'll definitely take it. I hope none of them have like what's the thing? Earthquake. Earthquake is so good. Just can't believe it. Should we try Blizzard again? I'm gonna, because it's not totally accurate. I guess the accuracy of Blizzard is like 70. Ooh! Oh my god, you survived that. Okay, fair play. Good, good, good. Just calm yourself, okay? Think about your inner chakras and shit like that. Oh, oh, thanks fuck. Crowdhunt is gonna kill it. Good. To me, it's always been the hardest gym, this one. To get a real good light counter to these psychic Pokemon was always any pair of them, because I would always, of course, get Blaziken, which was not, which is also fighting type. Fighting is weak against them, so that was never helping. Haha, you used Gold Mine and you still died, little moon. Crowdhunt and Diavolo defeat a leader, Tate and Lisa. What? Our combination was shattered. It can't be helped. You've won. Send recognition. Take this. Take this. As receive a mind badge. Stop saying it like this. A mind badge enhances the SP attack and SP defense. It also lets you use the HM move dive outside of battle. You should also take this too. Obtain the TM04. What is it? Psychic? Please? But TM04 contains Calm Mind. I'm never gonna use that, am I? To move at perfects, that's perfect for psychic Pokemon. Register gym leader Tate and Lisa in the Pokemon. Well, no, I should have gone upstairs, shouldn't I? So I can just leave. Oh, I forgot to talk to him. Wow, you're astounding! You're one great trainer. Forgot to talk to him just before. I like when he hypes me up and he gives me the courage. I actually win these for him. Just for him. Where should I go now? I've no clue, because I got that dive, the mind badge, which helps me dive, but I never... Who gives you the dive HM? Oh, there's something happening here. Why is there little army over here of red cunts that I all beat? Is that Scott? Ah, it's feeling good. I'm doing great. I heard most of the gym leader is pretty strong, so I decided to come take a look-see for myself. But there's something wrong about this town. People are going on about a warning letter in the Space Center. I don't think it concerns me in any way, though. So what are you talking about, Scott? Scott, move the fuck out. All life needs the sea to live, even though it makes its home on the land. Life, having run its course, becomes soil and returns to the land. I have to take an old voice. And the sea is always connected to the land. Yes, like the very shoreline here. Ads found one netball. Ads put with a netball. Dun, dun, dun. Hi. I don't know why I look at the screen when I address the chat. Hi. This rock if you get a Deoxys, you can touch. I was gonna say you can touch the Deoxys. You can touch the rock, and it's gonna switch the form of a Deoxys between defense, speed, and attack. And I think there's a fourth one, which is like a mix, if I recall right. I don't know. I'm getting too old for this shit. Wow, stuff is happening here. Team Magma can't be allowed to steal the rocket fuel. Oh, by the way, you can have this too and have fun on the beach. Too bad your bag is full. Yeah, as usual. Why is my volume so low? I don't know, my mic is dying. Something, guys, you have to understand. I ordered a new headset, a gaming headset. I can't turn up my volume because it's only dependent on how loud I speak. Get it? And that's the thing, I guess, is that. Wait, I can give a Macho Brace to Crowdhunt for now, because Crowdhunt might be helpful against the dog type gym leader. So I ordered the thing, but I'm still waiting for them to deliver it because, you know, we are in a lockdown. The Sunstone. Is there a Pokemon that evolves with it? Forgot. Team Aqua should take care of Team Magma, but if they did that, Team Aqua would become bold and brazen, won't they? A giant chunk of metal bursts through the skies and flies into space, but Team Magma wants to spoil that dream of mine. I'm not having any of that. Yeah, that's why you're hiding in the corner over there. Wait. Let's put Groundhunt so you can gain some XP. As promised, we've come for the rocket fuel. Did you promise that? You already lost. Your plan is already in the water. Ha! I said in the water, you're Team Magma, you should be pissed. I think she's got too many Pokemon. And her Zubat is pretty fast. Great. Crowdhunt, you serve. And that was enough. I forgot if a Macho Brace actually gives you more XP or if it gives you more IVs. I don't have a good memory, so I don't know why I'm trying to remember stuff. I literally can't remember shit. We gave you fair warning. There's nothing sneaky about us. Yeah, there's nothing sneaky about you. That's why you're running a terrorist organization. The Magma grunt will light battle and send out normal, wacko wacko. We should have used Sneaky Treachery. Two scientists over here. I know that things are a little haywire right now, but the rocket launched safely. That's successful launch number 2. Those Magma thugs have a sight set on our space center, but we can't allow anything but minor to interfere with our rocket launch. And we won't. I'll be even more. The rocket fuel the space center has in storage, that's what we're after. We mean to take every last bit of it. Good. Let's see if you can do that on my dead body. Did Magma grunts and about already. I should have got a good. Ah no, yeah, should be fine. I need to get Ice Beam so I can give it to Crowdhunt and keep leveling Crowdhunt. I'm gonna keep it Crowdhunt. Please, can you spare some fuel? Even a Chinsey Cup will do. They have the best jokes in this game. Nobody can argue with that. Our leader said no one, but no one gets past me. Like the video if you don't want to catch the code this week, guess. Like the video if you don't want the corner to be your waifu. What if I nope. By the way, Lumi, you pretty much summarized today's video in your comment earlier. Nobody has to watch it now, it's just everything's in there. Yeah, you can bite, but what else can you do? No, I don't need to switch. Exactly, Adrien, you don't need a Nintendo Switch. But you want one. Keep yourself, Adrien. Dun, 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 dun. Cloudhunt grew to level 41 and player defeated. Ark, ark, ark. I like how they move like I'm royalty. What's wrong with you? You're outnumbered 3 to 1, but you still want to take us on? Of course. A reckless go-getter. Are you? Okay, I'll go first. Can't you just fight me? 3 of you at once? I'm good with that. I forgot if you have freeway freeway in Pokemon. If you have freeway battles in Pokemon. I would think you do. Groudon used Crab Hammer. And that was enough. That's it. All of you who will have like one Zubat. Great. It's too soon to be relieved. I'm up next. Yeah, but just 2 of you. Can't you just fight me at once? The Magma Grunt would like to battle and send out my Hyena. Go Groudon. 3 minutes left. We're gonna complete this side quest. I don't think it's a side quest, I think it's a main game. But after that, I'm gonna bid you farewell. Crabhammer again. Beat that bitch. Well, it's not a bitch because it's a male Myhiena. Player defeated Team Magma Grunt. I lost too. Aww. So sad. I bet you want to take a break, but I'm not about to let you do that. I've seen that. Sup, I'm about to... Hi Jeremy, you came just when I'm dying. But I'm never gonna die, am I? I'm a force of nature. So, what I just got right now is alright. We should have taken a break, that's what we should have done. My best humor is in Pokemon. I just joined and you're coughing. Wow, yes, that's a very bad sign, isn't it? Is there someone up there? Yeah, there are 3 people. Maybe they give me something, so I'm gonna talk to people. In real life, I would never do that, talk to people. Why would Team Magma want to steal our rocket fuel in the first place? Team Magma, do they want to go to space too? It's Corona time, guys! If Team Magma takes the rocket fuel, it won't be able to go to space. They can't be allowed to get away with such an outrage. You know, I should get a Elgato Stream Deck so I can plug in a like Corona Corona update, and then you'd see the face of Jagatpal. Team Magma, what's the point of stealing rocket fuel? Foo, since you're so curious, you deserve an explanation. We're going to jettison the entire load into Mount Chimney. With Groudon gone, we have no need for that slag heap of a mountain. So we'll use the fuel's power to make the volcano erupt. You are a terrorist. It will be savage. My god, this game created everything. Oh, did you punch my man Steven? Ads, you're going to help me. You little bitch, you're already ugly, Archie. Do you want me to fuck you up? No, Maxi. Yeah, you are Maxi. Let's get into a battle. Archie is a dilf. I just need you and you and maybe you. I'm good with the 3 of you. I'm not gonna use more than my first Pokemon. Metong Skarmory and Agron. Woo! Steven, the metal lover. Look at the sprite for Steven. Isn't he like so cool? Metong and Crawdont should be doing just fine. Steven just in Metong. Oh yeah, because Metong evolves into Metagross at I think level 55. It's pretty late, but it's got super good stats, so you know. Wait, didn't I go and heal? Oh yeah. How would I have done that? That's so nice of you to use Reflect, because these two, yeah, definitely only have physical moves. Serve that wave, bitch. No, it's a female. It's a male Machina. Doesn't work. Rehashing jokes. Metong. And why are you telling me how much XP Metong is getting? I don't care. Great, we both have the same Pokemon now. Beautiful. Oh yeah. Shit. Oh, it's a Metong, so it's fine. As long as my hits connect, it's fine. Because Metong is Psychic, so he can't use Psychic on these two. But can use Metal Claw, which is helping, definitely. Move. At least one of these two bitches gonna die. Definitely you. Golbat. That's the one was gonna be a bit tough. Still gonna go with Surf though, cause no, okay. Okay, use Taunt. That's fine, cause if he uses shit, great. Metal Claw on Golbat, please. Should have done it on Golbat, so my Surf would kill them all. But I'm not sure Golbat's gonna die, because I think flying types are stronger against water, because they fly, right? Fun fact, Crobat, Golbat evolves into Crobat when its friendship meter is completely full. So that means that the leader of that terrorist organization really likes its Golbat. Great. Psychic works on them because they are flying and poison, and poison is, wow, it's become a Pokemon trivia. Poison is weak against Psychic. It really has become a Pokemon trivia. Another Surf. I'm not just gonna use Surf. Okay, I'm gonna complete the round with Crabhammer. But I think Metong using... yeah, definitely was gonna be enough. My favorite anime is actually Naruto. My second favorite anime now would be JoJo. I discovered JoJo this year. And this year? Yeah, it's gotta be this year or end of last year. Very late into 2019. So my favorite is Naruto. Always gonna be Naruto. Just after that, it's JoJo. Definitely. Before it would have been like Dragon Ball, you know, the one that gets you into anime. But I'm with our leader. Cool, you both lost though. Maxi, we failed to make the volcano erupt. We failed to control Groudon after we had awoken it. Is our goal to expand the land misguided? If we, Team Magma, are wrong, then my Team Aqua's goal to expand the sea also be equally misguided. Don't you think so? You're both terrorist organizations. Alright, I will give up on the fuel. There appear to be more important matters that I must examine, whatever. You! That was 2 tenths, ads, thank you. I have something to give you as thanks for your support. Please come see me at my home after this. Oh yes, I don't live in Rustboro, I live right here on this island. Really? Why would Team Magma want to steal our rocket fuel in the first place? Okay, you just say the same thing. How about you? Team Magma, yes, you just say the same thing. I just prayed you could thanks goes a long way, does it? The Hoenn region has been famous for its meteor showers for a long time. Okay, that's pretty basic. Steven, so basically you live here, on this island. I love Emerald because it's tropical. Here you are. Steven adds, as you can see there's not much here, but this is my home. Thank you for all you've done. This is my token of appreciation. It's the Hidden Machine Dive. Here you get it. No need to be shy, you've earned this HM. Obtain HM08. Dive. As put with HM08, Steven, while you're using surf, you should notice dark patches of water. Use dive if you come to deep water. When you want to come back up, use dive again. In some places it won't be possible for you to surf phase though, of course, because there's something up, just up, makes sense. And that's how we're gonna track the submarine. But that's also how I'm gonna complete today's episode. Thank you for having been with me for a bit more than 1 hour. And what did I have to say? Yes, there's a new video that's out today. How you doing? It's basically me telling you that you should that not being strong or being strong are equally acceptable. That's basically that. But that's about it. For today, I have no clue what I'm gonna do for the next video, like regular video. I'm gonna have to think about that real thoroughly. But I got a bit of time, I guess. No, I think my next video is gonna be Men Are Useless, centered about how the corona is showing that we are useless. I am useless, I know that. So that's all for today. Thank you for having been with me. New video is out. Go and give me love. I deserve love, of course, brother. Of course, lad. I deserve love. And that's it. I'll see you tomorrow.